Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a lot of phones I picked up on eBay. I bought this lot for a couple phones, so hopefully it's what I need. Alright. Alright, just make sure there's no paper and stuff around here. That has my address, or his address. So his phones were all untested, so we'll have to do a update video pretty soon on some of the other phones I've gotten. So leave those there. We'll take a look at these first. Alright, so here we have a Motorola Razr K1. It's got a battery, which is nice. It's a little bloated though. Actually, it's a lot. So I'll have to get a battery for this. It's got a crack on the front glass. The inner display looks to be alright. Seems to have no power. The wattage damage indicator looks to be fine, so there's that one. Here we have a Kyocera. I'm imagining the back cover comes off. I think, maybe. Yeah, here it is. Alright, here we go. I think it's a Sprint phone, so I think I see a Sprint SIM card. Yep, it is a Sprint device, as you can see right there. No micro SD card. It's the C6725. The water damage indicator, where is it at? Can't really see it. The one on the battery looks good, so I'm guessing the one on the phone is just fine. There's a NFC maybe, or wireless charging in this back cover. So this might be a newer phone. Well, it's still got micro USB, so it's not that new, I guess. It's probably dead. And then we'll take a look. Now the two phones I was really wanting are actually in this box. And I've been looking to get one for a while. So here we go. Here is one of them. The LG Lotus Elite. Now I have the first gen Lotus, but this is the first Elite. It's missing the back cover, which is fine. I can get one of them. No micro SD card. The actual model is LX610. Looks to be in really good shape. Pretty heavy. So there's one of them, and then this one is the Motorola I9. And I was looking to get one of these, so I was able to find this lot with it, which it looks to be in decent shape. Got the soft touch coming off a little bit here and there. It's got a micro SD card in this one. Actual model number is, oh, it's a long, right there it is. The model number right there is pretty long though. Let's see, we got a SD card. Let's see how big it is. It's a 2 gig SD card. I guess we're just gonna have our standard Nextel Sprint SIM card. Yeah, Nextel Communications. So there's that one. Here we have a T-Mobile. I think I already have one of these. It's like an E103 or something, or E315. Okay, I was totally wrong. This one I'll probably go back up on my eBay because I don't need it, as I already have one. It's actually, I think, in better shape. Display looks good. It's got the rubber coming off, but yeah, I'll either sell it or I'll see if one of my subscribers wants to do a phone trade, because I got a couple of those I'll trade. Here is a Motorola Renegade. I think that's what it is. I could be wrong. It is a V950, which I already bought one of these, but it didn't have a back cover, so now I got a back cover for it. This is a Nextel Sprint device as well. No battery in that one. I have thousands of these things, I swear. I think I have like 2 or 3 of them. This one, battery seems bulged out. Both of them that I have don't hold a charge. The battery will not charge at all. This one seems got some kind of water damage, as you can tell in there maybe. Let me grab my flashlight on the other phone. As you can tell, it's got some kind of water damage on that one. So let's take a look. And right there, corrosion really bad on that charging port. So that one probably don't work, from guessing. Here is a interesting phone, because I have one of these on Straight Talk, if I remember right. I think it's a 441. I don't know, maybe not. LG B470. I have one, I swear, on TrackPhone. I didn't realize they made an AT&T version though. You see, it is AT&T. It did have a SIM card in it. It's completely dead. The LCD looks to be in good shape. So you'll have to test that out. And we have another Razer V3M, it looks like. Yep, V3M. It is on Verizon, as it seems to say. It's actually in really good shape as well. Got a few scratches on the front of the screen. The LCD on the inside looks just fine. It's got all the little rubber feet on there too, so that's nice. And then lastly, a Dora phone. Dory, I don't know. Doro, there you go. Phone Easy 626. It's got a Rogers SIM card in it. That's interesting. It looks like it has a spot for an SD card, which it doesn't have. Prior to doing a drop test on this thing, I didn't like these phones at all. Regular micro USB charging port on it. It's got a screen protector on it, looks like. Boom. Looks like it has water or something on it for that. So there's a little phone unboxing for you guys. Let's slide these down here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.